This is your boy LB, and as I said before, a lot of my breakdowns of 52 can be found at advanced.lightburley.com, or if you want the 500 lessons, you want to really climb the mountain, that's learn-martialarts.com. But still in all, because you my YouTube family, I got to break down some stuff and give you some tips. So my papa, rest in peace, he talked about a guy that he did time with, and then he said they called him Chicken Neck. And he said he was sitting in the cell all day working on that chicken neck. And he said when it came time to fight him, you couldn't hit him with a bag of punches. So is this a real technique? I believe so. If you got a good partner with you, probably somebody who likes you, you can work on this drill, because you will get hit, but that's the fun of learning. Don't ever believe you are above the laws of the math and the laws of averages. But I'm going to show you how you can train, aka your chicken neck. Okay. All right, so you got a good friend. Your hands have to go. Okay. And he can go. Come on, catch it. So that's how you can work on your chicken neck in real time. Hands never leaving your back, so that way you start to take away, your need for hands. So when your hands come back into play, oh, you ready to rock. It's your boy.
When you have your back against, your arms around.
I got him on the right way, but only because he's not stupid. Try to hold your ground. Spin the rails.
Oh shit. Oh my.